Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're looking at a 2020 1500 LT Trail Boss. And moving on to the interior, this truck is nicely appointed with dual climate control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, hands-free, XM radio. This 2020 Trail Boss is satin steel metallic, comes with a 5.3 liter paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, and has 20-inch Wrangler off-road tires. A spacious rear passenger compartment and has the Chevy molded floor mats. Thanks for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. Should you have any questions about our LT Trail Boss, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 403-678-4222. Have a great day.